Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn matching and between numbers. Already Ratnamala has explained you last two classes. She already explained once again. I am going to explain. Come on. First we go for the inverse. Already in nursery you learned several times 1 to 20. 1 to this matching. If you know 1 to 20 inverse thoroughly, it becomes very easy. Even before 1 to 20. Okay. Now before going to matching, I'll ask you some numbers. Just identify some numbers. Can you tell what is this number, children? What is this number? Come on. Stand up and say, come on. Come on, you stand up and say, what is this number? Very good. 2. Very good. What is this number? 2. There. And what is this number, children? What is this? Come on. Come on, stand up and say, Yogasri, stand up. Come on, what is this number? 11. Very good. Very good. Very good, girl. 11. Next. Then what is this number? Come on, Ganesh, stand up and say, what is this number? 7. Very good. Say loudly. Stand up and say loudly. Come on. Then what is this number? Come on, children. What is this number? Come on. 5. Very good. What is this number? 5. Then what is this number? Come on. 1, 4. 1, 4, 14. Come on. Come on. Stand up and say, what is this number? 1, 4, 14. Then I only told. Nobody said about this number. Come on. What is this number? Come on. Say loudly. Good. 1, 0, 10. What is this number, children? What is this number? 18. What is this number? 18. Very good. If you know the numbers, if you identify the numbers, it becomes very. Identification before learning the matching, identification of numbers is very important. If you are able to identify the numbers and if you know the inverse thoroughly, it becomes very easy to do the matching. It becomes very easy to do the matching. Then, what is this number? 9. Very good. Next, what is this number? Come on. Very good. 1, 3, 13. Very good. Next. What is this single number? Very good. 3. Then what is this number? Single number? 1. Very good. Very good. Next. Now I'll ask you some spellings. Can anybody say? In 1 to these are all spellings. Can anybody say the spelling of 5? Come on, you say the spelling of 5 from there. Say the spelling of 5.
F-I-V-E.
Very good. Suran, very good. Next. Can you say the spelling of 9? Can you say the spelling of 9?
N-I-N-E 9.
Very good. Next. Then, can you say the spelling of 4? Come on, you stand up and say the spelling of 4.
F-O-U-R.
Very good. Very good. Next. Then, I'll ask you the next spelling, Mama. Can anybody say the spelling of 12? 12.
T-W-E-L-V-E.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Next. Then what is the spelling of 16?
S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16.
Good. Next. What is the spelling of 11? Come on.
E-L-E-V-E-N. 11.
Very good. Next. What is the spelling of 20?
T-W-E-N-T-Y.
Very good. Come on. Once again, say the spelling of 20 once again.
T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20.
Very good. Very good. Amma, very good. If you know, Amma, first for matching, if you know the identification, if you know the numbers, if you know the inverse, it becomes very easy to do the matching. Now we go for the matching. We do the matching now. Come on. What is this number here? In the apple, some number is Amma. Look here, miss. Look here. What is this? This is apple. In this apple, what is the number given here? Come on, see the number carefully. What is this number, Amma? Come on, read the number. First number. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 11. What is this number? 1, 1,
11.
1, 1, 11. What is this number give here? 1, 1, 11. First we read all the numbers and afterwards we can do the matching. What is this number? Mango, one number is given. What is this number? Can you say?
5.
What is this number, Ma?
5.
Very good. What is this number? This number is 5. Then we go for more grapes. You see the grapes. In grapes also some numbers are hidden. Come on, see the 2 numbers are there. What is the first number?
1.
What is the second number?
3.
1, 3.
13.
1, 3.
13.
Very good. 1, 3, 13. Come on, next we go for what is this, Amma? What is this? Maybe it's watermelon. It's what in watermelon also. 2 numbers are hidden inside. What is Nowadays strawberries are coming. Come on. What is the two numbers in this strawberry? Two numbers, not one number. First number you read. What is the first number here?
2.
What is the second number?
0.
2 0
20.
2 0
20.
2 0
20.
Very good. Come on, next. What is this number? Pineapple. Now we are seeing pineapples everywhere. Even your fathers are bringing pineapples or not, Amma? Come on. Two numbers in pineapple. So two numbers are inside. Come on. What is the first number here?
1.
Then second number?
9.
1 9.
1 9 19.
1 9.
19.
Very good. Next. Come on. This is. It's look like papaya. Come on. What is the first number here?
1.
Second number?
7.
1 7.
17.
Very good. Come on, now we need the spelling. Spell inwards. Number name spelling. Here number is given. Here the number name is given inwards. Here number is given, Amma. Here the number name. Come on, read the spelling, children. What is this, Amma?
F I B E. 5.
Come on, 3. Amma, everybody should read. Say loudly. Come on, I can't hear. What is the spelling here?
F I B E. 5.
Very good. Come on, what is the next spelling here? Come on.
E L E V E N. 11.
Very good. 11. E L E V E N. 11. Once again. E L E V E N. 11. Come on, next we go for the next spelling. What's the spelling?
F I F T E E N. 15.
Come on, no. Everybody should say. Everybody. Only one is saying. Come on, everybody should say. Come on, the spelling of 15 here.
F I F T E E N. 15.
15. 5. It's 15. It's not 15. You should remember while writing 15 spelling. So many are writing wrong. Several times we told you in the nursery, Amma. It's 15. It's not 15. Fifth. How to spell 15? Fifth. 15 we are spelling. 15. Not 15. Fifth. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. It's not 15. So many are writing 5. It's absolutely wrong. How we are spelling it 15. We are saying 15. It's not 15. F-I-F. Fifth. F-I-F. T-E-E-N. 15. Come on. Come on, children. Look at the blackboard. Come on, at the next spelling here.
T W E N T Y. 20.
The girl is not opening her mouth. Come on, say loudly. Come on.
T W E N T Y. 20.
Come on. 20. 20, Amma. Be very careful writing the spelling of 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. You're writing the spelling of Sonia writing word. 20. It's not 2. It's 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. Here you see the spelling word. T-W. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Come on, we go for the next spelling here.
T H I R T E E N. 13.
Once again, several times you're writing the spelling of 13. You're writing the spelling of 3. You should write the spelling of 13. 13, it's not 13. 13, you're spelling it. Come on, the spelling of 13.
T H I R T E E N. 13.
Very good. Come on, now we go for the next. What is the next number name?
S E
Yes.
E V E N T E E N. 17.
Next we go for the spelling of 19. It's very easy, Amma. If you know the spelling of 9, then you should write the spelling of T. But some are reading the spell E. Come on, read the spelling of, come on, all of the children.
N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19.
Come on, now we do the matching. Come on. What is the first number given here?
1 1 11.
What is the number given here, Amma? 1 1 11. Then now 1 1 11 is given. This is the number. We have to search for the number name. We have to see the spelling. 11 spelling. We have to search for the 11 spelling. Where is 11 given here? Come on. 11. We have to search for the number name spelling. 11 spelling we have. Then we have to match it. What is the first spelling given here? 5. F-5-E. No, we want the spelling of 9. We want the spelling of 9. 5 is given. No, we don't want it. 11. Next we go for the next spelling. What is the next spelling? Come on. 5 we don't want because we want 11. We want the spelling of 11 only. Come on. See this. Come on. What is the next one? E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. We want the spelling of 11. Here 5 is given. No. The number 11 is given. We want the number name. We want the spelling of 11. Here the spelling is 11. Spelling is here. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Come on. We have to match from the number to the number name. From the number to the number name. 11. Then right. It's 4. Next number. What is the next number given here?
5.
What is the next number? 5. Come on. Again from up we start searching for the 5 spelling. We have to see the 5 number name. 5 spelling. Where is the 5 spelling? We have to search it. Come on. We go and search it. Come on. We'll start searching. Amma, shall we go for searching? Come on, we start. Come on, read the spelling here. F-I-V-E. 5. It's here, remember. No need to see all these. 5 is up. This is 5 number. This spelling is here. Come on, we'll match it. Come on, very fast. Yes. We have to match it. Number is here. The number name is here. We will have to match the number to the number name. Over. Come on, we go for the next number. What is the next number given here? Put your finger and read. Come on, what is the number here?
1, 3, 13.
1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Here, the number 1, 3, 13 is here. We have to search for the number name. 13 spelling. We have to search for the 13 spelling. Come on, we see. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. 15 is here. But what if we want? We want 13. We want the spelling of 13. We don't want the spelling of 15. Come on, leave it. No, we don't want you. We don't want you. Leave it. We go for the next spelling. We see. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. We want? No, we want the spelling of 30 only. Come on, leave it. Next spelling. We go for the next one. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13 children. Yes. We want the spelling of 30. The number is given here. We want the spelling of 30. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 30. We want the spelling of 13. We don't want 15, 20. Because the 13 spelling is there. The number is given here. We have to search for the number name. 13 spelling only. Come on. From your text. Match it. Do match it. Finish. Next number. We have come for the next number. What is the number in watermelon? Some 2 numbers are there. Come on. What is the first number?
1, 5, 15.
1, 5, 15. Come on. 1, 5, 15. Come on. Again we search. From up we search. Call it this 2 hour. Third one is there. Come on. We see. Come on. First you read the spelling. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. Come on. What is the number here? 15. Here also the spelling is 15 here. Come on. Once again. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. The number is 15. We want the number is 15. We want the spelling of 15 only, Mama. The number here 15. We have to search for the 15 number name only. Come on. We match it from here. Come on. Yes. Done. Over. Come on. We go for the next one. What is Mama? See what is this? Is strawberry. In strawberry 2 numbers here. What is the first number here?
2, 0, 20.
2, 0, 20. What is the first number? 2, 0, 20. Come on. Here the number is 20. We have to search for the spelling of 20. The number name. We have to search for 20. Come on, we start. Over this 3 are over. Come on, next. Here the remaining word is here. Come on. What is this? T-W-E-N-T-Y. What children? What
20.
20. Yes, exactly. Here we want the spelling. The number is 20 and even we want the spelling of 20. The number name. Here the number is given. The number name is here. Come on, you match it. 20 spelling is here only. Come on, go. Done. All finished. Next number. Come on. This is pineapple inside. Pineapple 2 numbers are. Come on. What is the first number?
1.
Second number?
9.
1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. Come on, we start. Already these 3 are over. Come on. Last 2 are left. We see here. Come on. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. What is the number given here? 19. What is the number here? 19. We want the spelling of 19 only. We don't want the spelling of 17. Come on, leave it. Then come here. Come on, now you see here. Look here and you see Amma. Don't look here and there. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. What is this?
19.
19. Very good. We want the spelling of 19. The number here, 19. We have to match it for number name. Number is 19 and we want the spelling of 19 only. We don't want 19. Come on, you just, the number is 19 to match it. Come on. Number is here, number name is here. Number is here, number name is here. That is right. Next. Come on, in Papa, here 2 numbers are there. Come on, children. What is the first number here?
1 7 1 7 17.
Very good. 1 7 17. 1 7 here. Come on. Now we have to search for the number name. 17 spelling. We have to search for 17 spelling. Come on. Here one. Come on. Here something says. Come on. Reach it. SEVENTEEN. What is this number?
17.
Very good. Come on, once again. SEVENTEEN. 17. We want the spelling of
17.
17 number is here. We want the spelling of 17 only. Come on, you match it. Done. This is the way, ma. If you know the numbers, if you know the inverts, it becomes very easy to do the matching. Kindly, parents, make your child to identify the numbers, and you ask inverts in the middle, and you make your child to do the matching. Already they learned in the nursery. Even once again, this is the easy method. You make your children to learn this. Come on, children. Now we go for between numbers. We finished matching. Now we go for between numbers. Before going, once we read all this number, when we start between numbers, we should start from 0. We should start from 0. 0 after 1. 0 after what you get in 1? First, for between numbers, you should start with 0. 0 after 1. 1 after 2. 1 after 2. 2 after, come on, children.
3.
3 after
4.
4 after
5.
5 after
6.
6 after
7.
7 after
8.
8 after
9.
9 after
1 0 10.
9 after
1 0 10.
1 0 10 after
1 1 11.
1 11 after
1 2 12.
1 2 12 after
1 3 13.
1 3 13 after
1 4 14.
1 4 14 after
1 5 15.
1 5 15 after
1 6 16.
1 6 16 after
1 7 17.
1 7 17 after
1 8 18.
1 8 18 after
1 9 19.
1 9 19 after
2 0 20.
Very good. 2 0 20. 1 9 18 after 2 0 20. 2 0 20 after
2 1 21.
2 1 21 after
2 2 22.
2 2 22 after
2 3 23.
2 3 23 after
2 4 24.
2 4 24 after
2 5 25.
2 5 25 after
2 6 26.
2 6 26 after
2 7 27.
2 7 27 after
2 8 28.
2 8 28 after
2 9 29.
2 9 20 after 2 after what you get up
3 0 30.
2 9 20 after 2 after
3 0 30.
2 9 20 after 2 after
3 0 30.
Very good. You're very good, children. Very good. Very good. Amma, in this way, you should, Amma, while writing also, you say and write. Dear parents, make your child while writing, you tell them to say and write. It will, Amma, by that, they know the identification, even they can tell the after number, even they can tell the between number. Very easy. Dear parents, make your child while writing, make them to read and write. But blindly some are writing of no. You tell them to say that 1 after 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4. In that way, if they write in that manner, they get after numbers. Immediately they can write after numbers, between numbers and identification. If they read this 2 5 25, 2 6 26, even they can, if your teacher puts any dictation, it becomes very easy for them. If teacher asks to write a spell, number 26, immediately they write 2 6 26, because they are, while writing, they are saying and writing. They are saying in that way, they can do all whatever they after numbers, between numbers, dictation, everything they can do. Come on, now we go for the between numbers. What are between numbers? Between numbers means here two numbers are given, 11 dash 13. In these two numbers, one in the middle number is missing, gone somewhere. We have to find it out and we should put the number here. 11 dash 1. In these two numbers, one number is missing, gone somewhere. We have to find it out. Find it out. Come on. 11 11. 11 11. 11 after what you get, Amma? 11 after
1 2
12. 11 after what is the next number? 1 2 12. 1 2 12 after 1 3 13. Come on. In this, Amma, here see 11 dash 1. 11 after 1 to 12. This is the number missing. This number is missing here. You have to put this number 11 dash 13. Here in this two number, one let this number, middle number is missing, gone somewhere. We have to find it out and put the number here. Very easy. You read, come on, put your finger and you read. 1, 1, 11 after.
1 to 12.
Very good. 1, 1, 11 after.
1 to 12.
1 to 12. Come on. 1 to 12 after.
1 3 30.
1 to 12 after 1 3. Come on, right. That's the way. Again, what is the number given here, Amma?
0.
0. Dash 2. 0. Dash 2. Come on, we go there and we see. The numbers are already here. 0. This always between numbers you should start with 0. 0 after
1.
0 after
1.
0 after 4 between numbers always. Amma in nursery you didn't learn, we did start from. But when I have come to prep, you should start with for between numbers, Amma. You before number 1 before number always 0 comes. 1 before number 0. 0 here. 0 after what number is here?
1.
0 after
1.
0 after
1.
0 after what you get here? 0 after what number is here?
1.
Then 1 after 2. 0 after 1. 1 after 2. Yeah, put the missing number. Come on, the sum is right. Come on, next. We go for the next. 1 7 17. You read in this way. 1 7 17 dash 1 9 90. In bit. Here one number is given. Here no number. Here number is given. Means this number is missing. This number is missing. We have to find it out between what they say. What they say is this is the between number, middle number. This is the middle number. This middle number is missing. We have to find it out and put it here. Amma, 1 7 7 dash 1. What is this number? Middle number. Between number. Between numbers. Between is middle number. This middle number is missing. We have to find it out. Come on, we find it out. Here. 1 7 7 dash 1. 1 1 11. 1 2 12. 1 3 13. 1 4 14. 1 5 15. 1 6 16. 1 6 16 after. 1 7 17. 1 7 17 after.
1 8 18.
1 7 17 after.
1 8 18.
1 8 18. 1 8 18 after.
1 9 19.
1 8 18 after. 1 9 19. Come on, now we have find out the between number. We have written here. Come on, next. Come on, next. Come on, 1 4 14 dash 1 6 16. 14 dash 1 between number. Middle number is missing here. What is in this? This is the number and this is the. In these two numbers, middle number 14. 14 after number is missing. 14 after number means between middle number here is missing. 1 4. You think 1 4 14 after what you get? 1
1
4.
5 15.
Ah, 1 4 in nursery several times you learn. 1 4 14 after.
1 5 15.
1 5 15. 1 4 14 after.
1 5 15.
1 5 15 after.
1 6 16.
Oh, very good. It's very easy, Amma. We have to find between number, miss middle number. This number is missing. Come on. Next number. 2 5 25 dash 2 7. 2 5 25. 2 1 21. 2 2 22. 2 3 23. 2 4 24. 2 5 25. 2 5 25 after.
2 6 26.
2 5 25 after.
2 6 26.
While writing numbers, if you say and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 after 2, 2 after 3, if you say and write, it becomes very easy to write the next after number. 2, 5, between middle number. 2, 5, 25 after 2, 6. 2, 6, 26. 2, 5, 25 after 2, 6. 2, 6 after
2 7
2, 6 after 2, 7, 27. Come on, very good children. Come on, we go for the next number. 2, 9. 2, 9.
29.
2, 9.
29.
2, 9, 29 after. Several times in the class we told you. 2, 9, 29. 2 after. 2 after. Come on children, you remember. 2, 9, 20 after. 2 after.
3 0 30.
2, 9, 20 after. 2 after what you get?
3 0 30.
2, 9, 20 after. 2 after.
3 0 30.
3, 0, 30. 3, 0, 30. 3, 0, 30 after.
3 1 31.
3, 0, 30 after.
3 1 31.
3, 0, 30 after.
3 1 31.
3, 0, 30 after. You stop here and you go for 3, 1, 31. Come on. 2, 9, 20 after. 3, 0, 30. 3, 0, 30 after. 3, 1, 31. Very good. Come on, next here single number is given. What is the single number here?
8.
8 dash 1, 0, 10. 8 after. It's very easy. The single number 8 after. Come on, children. Come on parents, come on children. Make your child, dear parents, make your child to do matching and between numbers at home, practice. You just once again explain. Thank you.